Hello everyone, my name is Love Chisom. On today's video, we'll be making this beautiful bubu gown we are seeing here. This is a trendy gown now, which you all know. So I'm going to show you how to make this gown with ashoke, okay? If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and drop your comment, okay? You can share too. So on this video, we'll be cutting out our normal bubu gown, okay? To get your normal bubu gown, if maybe you're finding a way to do it, get your shoulder and your sleeve length, okay? All together, okay? So on this gown, now we're going to make use of shoulder of 8 and sleeve length of 9. So in this video, you fold your fabric into 4. I am only going to show you how to sew it, not how to cut it, because I have many videos on how to cut bubu gown here. So this is our normal bubu gown, okay? You just cut your bubu gown normal with the length you want. So right here, I made use of 27 inches length for this bubu gown, and the lines you are seeing here is my shoulder line, my bust points, my waistline, and the hip line, so which is the length of my gown, okay? So what I'm marking here now is where you put your belt in case you want to use lacing, or those tiny fabric you put there to lacing it at the back, or you want to use normal belt. It should start from here. So come down by your under bust and make sure your belt is bold, like 3 inches. That is what I used for my own. It gives it more balance and fitting. And your pocket is going to start from your waistline, which is the line there, the line after the where I curved my armhole, which is my waistline. Your pocket is going to start from there. Now, when fixing your pocket, you are going to come up by 1 inch from your hip line. That is the length of your gown here. Come up by 1 inch. That is where your pocket is going to stop, okay? So you can see those tiny lines that I marked there. I came down by my under bust, then I mark the 1 inch gap for the lacing if you want to use lacing. So I did not use it. I'm just showing you in case you want to make use of it. So I made use of belt on my own here. So now we are going to cut it out. Then I will show you other process, how to do it, how to sew it, and how to fix your ashoke. So right here, we are done cutting, okay? We are done cutting. And now you are going to measure for the ashoke on the front. You are going to go in by 2 inches, which is what I am doing here now. Go in by 2 inches from the neck to the hemline. Now you are going to open it up this way. Just open it, and you are going to join the shoulder. Just open it, go to your sewing machine and join the shoulder, okay? Like I'm going to do my own now. I will join the shoulder and then I will come back to show you the next thing to do. So as you can see here now, I've joined my shoulder. Now you are going to open it this way, then you fold. If it's possible for you, when you make your fabric fold your fabric by 4, use your iron and iron it, okay? So that by the time you'll be doing this now, it will be easy for you. The line will be very visible for you to do what you want to do. Now open it. You can decide where you want to make your front now. So now I choose this part to make my front. I'm going to mark my 2 inches. Now I'm going to use my ruler to cut from my neckline, from where my neck stopped, that 3 inches of my neck width. So I'm going to mark from there. Just watch what I'm doing now. I'm going to mark from there. Mark it to the hem of your fabric. Then you are going to cut it out. So after marking it this way, you are going to cut it out. So this is it. After cutting it out, you are going to open it this way. So this is it. This is what it looks like. So now we are going to set it aside. We are going to measure it round. Sorry, you first measure it round before setting it aside. You are going to measure it round. So whatever you have here, that is what you use to cut out your ashoke. Okay. So that is how to measure it. Now after that, you're going to set it aside. Now get your ashoke. So this is 2 lines of ashoke. This is how I bought it from the market, 2 lines of ashoke, and I got it for 3,000 naira. So now you're going to measure. My gown length was 27 inches, but I'm going to measure 28 inches just to be at safer side. Okay, I'm going to measure 28 inches here. So I'm going to cut out my 28 inches. And now I'm going to divide this fabric, this ashoke, into 2. Just watch how I'm going to divide it into 2. So I've divided it into 2. Now watch how I'm going to place it. You set one aside. The one will be for the sleeve, and this one will be for the neck. The one for the sleeve, I know it will not finish. We are not going to finish everything. So now we are going to pin it round. So this is how to pin it. Just make sure you pin it round. Always make use of your pin when sewing. Very important. It keeps you safe from some mistakes. Okay. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and drop your comment. Okay. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Very important. It helps me a lot. Thank you. So now we are going to place it together. I've gone to my sewing machine and I sew it. Now I'm going to arrange it this way. Just watch how I'm measuring it. You're going to come down by 12 inches. Depending on what you are comfortable with. If you are comfortable with 11, 10, do it. So I made use of 12 inches here. Now you open it this way so that you can be able to sew it. Never have taken light, but don't worry, the light will come again, okay? So this is it. I've opened my windows now to get brightness. So now this is how we are going to place it. Just arrange it and pin. You are going to sew from the place you mark your chalk. We're going to sew from that place that you are seeing that chalk now. So now I've pinned it down. Go to my sewing machine. Now I'm going to run a stitch there. Okay, when you are lapping it, just small, just slap it together, small, tiny. Then you sew. Okay, so this is it. I've sewn it, and this is what it looks like. Now we're going to open it to sew the sleeve, and we're going to get the remaining ashoke, and we're going to attach our ashoke on the sleeve. Just place it. You cut the length you want. Now you're going to go to your sewing machine and you sew. You repeat the same thing on the other side. So now this is the pocket. I have many videos on how to cut my pockets with my bubu. Always. I have many videos. So now you're going to attach your pockets. Attach your 4 pockets to this side, to this side. So now also attach your sleeve or your belt. Remember, I told you I did not make use of that lacing again. I made use of belt. So attach your belt here. I attach my belt on the place I marked that I told you. I attach my belt. Now we are going to close the side. Arrange it very well. Arrange it. Then you are going to sew this way. Watch how my hand is going. You're going to sew like this. I repeat the same thing on the other side. So this clothes does not take up to 30 minutes to sew. It's very simple and easy. So arrange it, and you're also going to do the same thing here. So now you're going to form your gathers after this. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. My belt, my sleeve, and everything. It's looking so good. Coming together. So now it's left for you to make your gathers. So now you're going to measure the down. So measure the down to know what you have here. So when you measure it, you know that what you have here now is into 2, is divided into 2, both the front and back. Now whatever you have, like me, I have 27 inches as I measure. So 27 inches times 2, you know what it is. Now if you are cutting your gathers, my gathers is 14 inches in depth, length, 14 inches. Then the length is 2 times of what I have on my length of my gown. So it's 2 times. So you make sure you measure 2 times of what you have there. So after making your gathers, you come and fix it here. So that is all. Okay, this is it. Create your gathers with your machine, or you can pleat it, whichever one you like. So this is the final result. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and drop your comment. It helps my algorithm so much. Okay, see you in my next one. Bye.